The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to TechGig webinar series, our endeavor to empower techies. We believe that sharing of knowledge is the key to enhance our skills and grow us as professionals. With this principle in mind, we have initiated a series of webinars conducted by industry experts to give you all a crisp insight of various domains. The topic of today's session is Hadoop for data warehousing professionals. And our guest speaker today is Madan Mohan. He's the Chief Architect, Sabre Holdings, and he's a guest speaker on behalf of Edureka. Madan Mohan is a Chief Architect with more than 12 years of experience in architecture and developing mission-critical, high-volume and available platforms through strong innovation and engineering practices. As leadership team member, he has driven enterprise-wide project initiatives that has helped in business growth exploding from POC, beta, and production rollout phases. So without further delay, I introduce you all to our guest speaker. Over to you, Madan.
Hello everyone, welcome to the Edureka sponsored Hadoop for data warehousing webinar. So as Anuradha mentioned, it's me, Madan Mohan. I'll be your guest speaker for walking you through this presentation. So I've been working as a chief architect in travel industry for more than 7 to 8 years. Prior to that, I used to work on e-commerce platforms. And also my previous roles include co-founding in startups and leadership managing and engineering deliverables about me. So you could always get connected to my LinkedIn just to know a little bit more about it. So just a little bit brief on the logistics part of it. So most of the time we'll be just walking through the course content. Just in case if you wanted to stream any questions, so use the Twitter handle provided at this slide. Ask Edureka for any questions now or to follow in future. So I'll be taking up this session for roughly around 50 to 55 minutes, and we'll keep 5 to 10 minutes at the end for any Q&A. Since we have a large audience, I'll restrict the Q&A for at most to the most important questions what I could pick up, handpick and see if I could answer for 2 or 3 of them. And remaining we could take it offline through the Edureka stuff. Okay. So let's get started. So here is a quick rundown of what we're going to cover today. So we're going to understand what big data is all about and what is the hype of big data and what is Hadoop and where does the traditional data warehousing fit into this equation, how does it conflict with the traditional data warehousing platforms or the commercial solutions available as of today, and what are the challenges and pros and cons of each of these solutions compared to Hadoop. And then we'll talk about how data warehousing can leverage Hadoop or how Hadoop can be integrated into the enterprise data warehousing platforms. And then we'll talk about details, a bit basics of what Hadoop is, what MapReduce is all about, and then we'll try to end up with a real world scenario and conclude with what to use when kind of a situation. So most of the newcomers has this big question, so whether I should go for Hadoop analytics platform or go with a traditional or a conventional enterprise data warehouse platform. So we will try to put a discussion and debate and conclude with that. So the final objective of this presentation, you should be able to get basic amount of idea on Hadoop and what is the difference between a traditional enterprise data warehouse platform and when to use what. So that's the objective, what we're going to achieve in this 1 hour session. Okay, so quickly